The noun wadai is used in news, everyday conversations, social media, and meetings. It also appears in small talk with friends.
話題、ニュース、会話、SNS、会議でよく使います。友達との雑談でもよく出ます。
The word wadai means the topic or theme people talk about. It can also mean a hot buzz everyone notices. Sometimes it simply means material for conversation. テーマや話のネタのことです。みんなが注目していること、またはおしゃべりの材料を指します。The first kanji means talk or speech. It often appears in words about speaking and stories. Think of kaiwa for conversation. Also remember denwa for telephone. The second kanji means title or subject. It is used for names of works and items on a list. You see it in mondai for problem. You also see it in daime for title. The movie is currently a hot topic. その映画は今話題になっています。その映画は今話題になっています。He quickly changed the topic. 彼はすぐ話題を変えました。彼はすぐ話題を変えました。The idea came up in the meeting. 会議でその案が話題に上りました。会議でその案が話題に上りました。The most common synonyms of the word are daimoku and kidai. Daimoku overlaps as a formal subject or title in books or ceremonies. Gidai is the item to discuss in meetings, while wadai is broader and natural in daily chat or when something is trending. The most common antonym of the word is mukanshin. Wadai is something people talk about or pay attention to, but mukanshin shows no interest, so nothing becomes a talking point.